Hello dear colleagues, we would like to present our concept of the estimator tool. As a technology to realize basic functionality, we chose Salesforce. So here we are backend part, which is accessible for admin only. As an admin, we can add a new project by specifying its name and assigning required divisions to estimate. Click Save. As soon as we have a project, we have to add components to estimate, such as admin side development, content management, and one more, smoke tests on production. Okay. We can also add estimate contact component, which might come from a kickoff meeting. So we agreed that admin side development was estimated by business analyst. For example, Nazar Dinega, and it was estimated on 30 story points. We could also add a comment just to specify why this estimation was added. Okay, so now we have a project with defined components and reviewers. To see it in front end, we go here and click Estimate. So this is the estimator tool. Here we can see defined components with default estimation, related Jira logs, and columns to give estimation. The related Jira logs are the most interesting part because we can see history of the estimation from Jira linked by component name. Our tool calculates and shows the most accurate estimator grouped by division. As we can see here, business analyst, the most accurate is Nazar Dinega, and system architect is Andrei Lish. On other components, we might see more logs. A few business analysts have estimated this component already for different stories and different projects, and this estimation points came from that Jira. Okay, so and our tool filters that data and calculates the most accurate one. Okay, just to estimate, we go here, add estimator, add story points, and comment. Just click add. Here we can also see as a help for us just to see how previously this component was estimated according to Jira logs. Say. And total effort is calculated automatically. Also, we can generate a PDF report. Thank you and have great estimations.